Everyone, this is your man, Mr. Fulton. I am trying something new, something fresh, something you might like, and you have never had this before. But today I'm trying the new peanut butter party mix. It's got sprinkles and it's got um like cookies in it and lots of other things. So right now I'm gonna try this and see how I like it. So here we go. See it? Pretty good, guys. Here it is. As you can see, that's the cookie. So, the peanut butter. And this is the chocolate. So, it's pretty good, guys. And you can get um, buy one, get one free for Dairy Queen. So I've got another one in the freezer for tomorrow for the new video. And don't forget, I will be posting the latest video today. Make sure you guys watch that. And we will see you guys later. Thanks, guys, and have a great rest of your day. Have a good night. Have a good